we have not done this in a while, but it is time for a really spectacular unboxing. I have been on the hunt for a red crossbody that also has a top handle, and I really thought that it was going to be the Alma BB, but they stopped making the Alma BB in red with Cocalico or Cerezas with gold hardware. They make it with silver hardware, which was not going to fly with me. Also, I caught a top handle vibe like over a year ago, and I haven't been able to get off of it. So this is what happened at the Dubai Mall last night, and it was so much fun. I'm loving like Gucci's new green packaging. Like, how fun is this? So in here, I have this lovely piece of work. Oh gosh. So there it is in its bag. And they gave me like the tax receipt and another little cute Gucci envelope situation. Anyway, let's get to the goods. So here we are. Are you ready for the Gucci padlock in the small size? I forget what the name of this color is, but look at that beautiful, fabulous, shiny hardware. Pop it, pop, lock, and drop it. Take that out of there. And it's like this, it's like a little trunk. So it's got square corners, and it has little feetsies on the bottom. And this gorgeous top handle. I don't know about this clochette though, y'all. Like, it's really cool to have the keys in the clochette, but I think I might hang it to the back. So initially I wanted a top handle that would fit my Sigma FP in like a shallow lens, like a 35 or something. But I didn't know if I was gonna get that. And then I got the iPad mini, and I needed something that the iPad mini would fit in, and this fits in that, which we'll get to in a second. So here comes all of the stuff. Put this down for a second. Gucci booklet, other Gucci booklet, another language of Gucci booklet, Gucci number card. Don't even know what I'm supposed to do with all of these things except hang on to them in case I need them in whatever specific language they're printed in. Because in the UAE, they do every language. Like, every piece of clothing here has basically a novel on it. So the crossbody strap came in another cute little Gucci bag that I'll find something to do with. So let's take this out of here. Maiden Voyage. Come on now. Out you go. Oh, I love it when there's plastic on the hardware. I just love it. This is like taking a hot dog apart. I just love it. And it's an adjustable strap, and I never do this. Like, this is like totally an off-the-wall purchase for me because I don't buy outside of like the Holy Trinity, Chanel, Hermes, and Louis Vuitton, and I don't buy chain straps that have leather on them. I just buy whole chains. Like, I'm off the rails as a bag buyer. Like, 2020 has done me in. I'm breaking all my own rules because there are no rules anymore. So let's put our little, I can't bring myself to take these off yet, but let's talk more about the inside. So the iPad mini fits in here with a picture of itself. There it is. The iPad mini fits in here perfectly, and you can just plop it closed and take this bamboo handle, this classic Gucci bamboo handle, wherever you want to go. And it's really coming up on screen like a brownish or like a orangey kind of color, and it's not. It's a really true like Revlon Fire and Ice lipstick red, in my opinion. Oh, the sound just never gets old. It just doesn't. In the UAE, this was 10,350. Maybe you can see that there. Because I'm leaving, when I go through the airport, I'll get a 4.2% VAT tax refund, which is really, really helpful when you're buying these sorts of purchases. I'm in love. I don't know how this clochet's gonna go. I might shorten it because I feel like having it all the way down, because it goes past the corner. Like if it's sitting on a table, it's gonna have like a little mouse tail, and I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know if it's gonna be my thing, but I love the sound. It's so hard. It's like a trunk, and it's just beautiful. So this is my unboxing slash first impressions. I took the longest to decide on buying this bag, and I'm waiting for a time. I'm unboxing it with you, but I'm waiting for a time to wear it because I always feel like new purchases have to have like good juju put in them for their maiden voyage. So me and this new padlock lady will be having a fun time together, bopping around the entire world with our iPad mini in tow, and with my Sigma FP, and with a short lens, and with my Louis Vuitton clay, and Tom Ford sunglasses, and Dior lip glow. It's all going in there, and I'll probably make a video about that at some other time. However, if you have this bag, let me know. If you're thinking about this bag, let me know, and I will see you all again when I make another video of this bag of what I'm putting in it.